Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you tuned in. Today's episode is very special and I have a very important announcement at the end of the video or throughout the video, depending how I get to it. But I'm very excited. Before we go further, if you are new to the channel, my name is Alain and this is my 2015 228i rear-wheel drive. I've been modifying it. I've done cosmetic modifications as well as performance modifications. Among the performance modification, I did the stage 1 tune with boot mode 3, and also I did the big brake kit upgrade. It's part of the performance because with a lot of power that we gain from the tune, we need to have better braking system. And also, I'll be taking this car to the track. Therefore, having a better braking system is really trivial. I'm really excited about this because to a lucky subscriber, you are going to get a giveaway. The rules are very simple and I will talk about those rules in a moment. I'm going to set up the stuff that are going to be installed here, and I am going to announce what the giveaway is and how to sign up for the giveaway. Stay tuned for that. So let me show you the stuff that's going to be installed. Alright guys, I'm really excited. So what is in the box? First of all, I will start with the rules. Let's start with the rules. So to win, the rules are very simple. First, follow me on Twitter. Second, like this video and share it. Third, let me know in the comments what do you need this giveaway. So what is the giveaway? This is a downpipe. This is a Catless downpipe. This downpipe is made by Max Speeding. So if you're not aware about Max X Speeding, anyways, the name is in the description. So those people, they do kind of a performance mode. However, this one, I wanted to install it on my previous car, which was the 328i rear-wheel drive. Actually, it was an X drive. I want to install it on my 328i X drive. However, I didn't install it because, like I mentioned, I'm not someone who go with Catless downpipes. So if you are someone who need, you want to do this modification on the 328i or the 28i series, that is the 228i, 328i, maybe 428 as well, but as long as the N20 or N26 engine, you'll be able to put this without a problem. So with this giveaway, I'm not going to charge anything. Everything is included. The shipping, as long as you are in the US, the shipping will be included. And yeah, good luck to you all. And if you have questions, my DM are open. Leave a DM on my Twitter account. I'll give you all the information you want to know. Again, this is free of charge to you, the lucky winner, as long as you follow the rules. Follow me on Twitter, like this video, share it, let me know why you need this. That's the giveaway, folks. I can't wait to share with you. And the winner will be announced. I will do a live video. I'll do a live, so don't forget to subscribe. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. First, you have to be a subscriber. I forgot that. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, follow me on Twitter, and let me know in the comments what you want this cutted downpipe. Yes, I'm giving this for free. This is for the 2 series, 3 series, 4 series. As long as the N20 or N26 engine, you should be able to install this. Again, this is a free giveaway. I'm not charging anyone and it's going to be transparent. I'm going to draft the winner the winner will be announced, and it will be live on my channel as well. So share this video so that we got more traction and so that you can be the lucky winner of this. So what comes on this? There is this one, and you have the V-band. It comes with the V-bands as well. This V-bands comes together with this downpipe, Catless downpipe. Like I said, this is made by Max Expeding. They do car parts. That's where I got it. I didn't install it on my previous car because I'm not really a Catless person. So that is the giveaway that I am giving. So make sure you follow the rules. The rules are also in the description in case I missed anything. So good luck to you all. And this is just to say thank you to all my close to 2,000 subscribers, because we want to get more subscribers, more like, and we want to push ahead to get this channel to the next level. There are so many things I'm really excited about the channel, and perhaps this is just the starting point. Now, this is what I am installing. This is what I am installing. All right, let's get started with the install. As always, jack up the car and start the install. Almost forgot, very important thing. Let's hear the sound before, and then we'll hear the sound after. I won't be able to do the DIY because after I checked underneath there are stuff are rusty underneath there, and unfortunately I don't have proper tools to work with rusty stuff. So I will be taking this to a shop that is specialized with exhaust stuff so that they can help me with the rusty stuff. So with that said, let's fast forward to the install day at the shop. Hey, as I mentioned earlier, I couldn't do the job by myself. I got some help. I went to a shop. They did the job. They installed the downpipe. Everything is bolt-on. Everything is bolt-on without an issue. I've been driving it for about 3 days now, and I haven't seen any problem. However, there was an engine light that came out. I tried to isolate the issue coming from the downpipe, or maybe it's just something that it's completely isolated, because when I looked up the error code was referring to oil change, so I don't see the connection between a downpipe and an oil change. So just to say, so far I don't think there is any issue. The installation went, I believe, smooth according to the mechanic, that he told me. The installation went smooth. This is where the downpipe is installed, in case you're wondering where it sits. It's right there. You will see something that's shiny, purple shining, stuff like that. I'll try to put my hands, and hopefully I'm not gonna block anything here. So where you are, oops, where you are seeing my finger right there, oops, it's hot. Actually, I'm burning my hand. Where you seeing my finger pointing right there, that's where the downpipe is, that's where it's installed. I'm just gonna close the bonnet because I'm done here. that's where the downpipe went. For the giveaway, again, good luck to you all. It's just something that I thought maybe a way to say thank you, and something that is staying on the house, something that is staying in my house. I haven't used it, and probably someone will have will find a good cause for it and use it and also enjoy their car. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, I couldn't make a DIY because, hey, sometimes we do get restrictions. But again, if you like this video, this type of content you want to see, and if you want to stay up to date with this build, subscribe, like, comment, you know what to do. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one.